Hey, my name is Jack Perrotta, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I would go about finding profitable products to sell on Amazon. Now, it's a very simple method. I'm going to get straight into it, and we're actually using two tools here. One of them is free, so one of them is ChatGPT, and that's going to give us a list of ideas on what to sell. And number two is called Helium 10. Now, you may have heard of it before. There are free trials for Helium 10, but it's more so a paid software, and there's good reason for that. I'll show you how to use it in a second, or how I use it to find profitable products. Now, if you watch this video and you are interested in using Helium 10, I've got a discount code down below, okay? I'm an affiliate of Helium 10. I have been for the last couple of years. Just to be open with you here, I use Helium 10 every single day, so I highly recommend it. It's the most accurate piece of software, not just for the US Amazon marketplace, but for Amazon Australia and other markets as well. So let's get right into it. Now, first thing we're going to use here is ChatGPT, and this is how we're going to use it. And so basically, we are prompting ChatGPT to give us a list of products, and I suggest looking in a particular niche, and we can use those products, those keywords, to then look at Amazon and look at the sales numbers. So you can ask it something like this: what are some popular Amazon products in the pet niche right now? Give me a list of 25. And we'll see what it comes up with. So it says, I don't have real-time data, so I can't provide you with current popular products on Amazon. However, as my last update in 2022, here are some popular pet products that were well received. So here is some, this is what I would go about doing. So these are obviously the brand names, Kong, Wisdom, Seresto, but I would get this here. Something like this: orthopedic waterproof dog bed, okay? And I would even go a step further and just go for the main keyword here, orthopedic dog bed, right? So we'll go here and we'll search this up on Amazon. Orthopedic dog bed. Hopefully I spelled that right. I think I spelled that right. So there we go. We'll click enter. And this is what we're going to do from here. Now, all of these pop-ups won't show for you unless you have Helium 10. I've got the Chrome extension, which you can see up here, and this will also bring up all of these different stats, right? So this is the paid version I have, and if you don't see this here, if this is blurred out, usually if you're not on the free trial, if you're on the paid version and it still blurs out, that means that there's not enough data to go off, okay? And Helium 10 won't show it, okay? So just so you know that. Now, this is what I'm going to do first off. I want to see if this particular keyword, this particular product, is worth looking into, okay? And I've just gotten this product idea within 5 minutes, okay? So we're going to go ahead and hit the X-ray here. What the X-ray does on the Chrome extension tool is it shows you all the sales numbers, and these are the most accurate sales numbers that I've seen to date. I've used a lot of different product research tools, right? So I'm going to filter these through to the top sellers. Now, the top seller in this particular niche, this particular keyword, orthopedic dog bed, top seller sells about 42 a month, which is 2,500 per month, okay? The search volume is very low. So what I'm going to do from here, because I don't really like the look of this, some things to note when you're looking at products: you look at the search volume. If you can find something that has low competition and sells really well, has a search volume of over 2,000, and this is per month. So all of these numbers here are per month. You can find something with search volume over 2,000, that's a really good start, right? And some things I like to look out for as well: product price. This one's a good product price. Anything from about $25 to $75 is a good price range for a beginner, and the reviews as well. So review count, I like these reviews apart from this one here, but if you're looking at reviews and it's anything from, say, like 10 reviews to 100 reviews, you're in a good range, okay? As long as there aren't too many sellers with high reviews, this isn't too bad. But in saying that, I don't really like this product, like I said, because the search volume is quite low, and that means that there's not as much demand on Amazon for this product, okay? So what we can do from here is we can actually go to top keywords, and we can have a look and see some other keywords that might pique our interest to find us some better products to sell, right? Because obviously the orthopedic dog bed isn't the best. So we're gonna look up the X-ray keywords and see what Helium 10 shows us. See if we can find any keywords that have a higher search rate. I've just pulled up the keywords here, and we have two main keywords. Now, obviously this will usually show up more, but obviously this niche as a whole, because we're on Amazon Australia, it might be a niche that might not be carrying, or might be products that might not be carrying as many other keywords, might not be ranking for as many other keywords, right? But we did find this one. So we've got just dog bed. Okay, search volume of 2,900, right? So we're going to click on this, and we're going to bring up dog bed, and then we will have a look again at helium 10, and we will go to the X-ray. And this is going to give us ideas on what we can look for products. So in the space of under 5 minutes, we've already found 2 particular keywords that we can look at for potential products. This is a really good search volume, but this is what we want to look at. So we want to look at, okay, who's the top seller? So by the looks of it, this orthopedic dog bed might actually be a decent seller to go for. And I'll tell you why, because the keyword orthopedic dog bed, there wasn't many search. There wasn't basically much search volume for it, right? But when people type in on Amazon the keyword dog bed, this is basically one of the top sellers, if not the top seller, under the keyword dog bed. So when someone types in dog bed, this is basically the top listing that shows up, at least one of the top listings that shows up. They're selling the most under dog bed, okay? They have 2,500 per month, right, in revenue. But let's have a look at the reviews, because the reason I like this more is because obviously the search volume, but we're going to look at the review counts here. Now 97, this one's got 97 reviews, 20 reviews, 165, 107. So they're not too bad, but what I like about this is that there's not too many that are dominating. Now obviously this is a lower revenue product, so this may be good for a beginner, but don't expect to make 10,000 per month on a product like this, right? What you're looking at is, okay, how many are they selling per month? So if you wanted to compete with a product like this, you'd need to get in, I would say, at least 50 to 75 units to begin competing with this particular seller, because you want enough there that you'll be able to compete with them, so sell 42 per month, but also have some stock left over to carry you over, okay? So I would even recommend having some money set aside for at least 2, potentially 3 orders for this particular product if you're really seriously looking to compete. But that's what I look at. I look at the search volume, I look at the product price, it's a good product price, I look at the amount of sales. So can I compete with this? Can I afford to buy 42 units worth of this? And obviously looking at supplies is a whole different video in itself, which I have on my channel as well. But this is what I look at, okay? Bestseller rating, great bestseller rating, because the lower the bestseller rating is, the better. It means that they're closer to the top of the search, right? And then the review counts. And the only ones I'm worried about are ones like this, Amazon Basics. And people say to me, look, Jack, can you compete with Amazon Basics? Now, what I would do is not sell the exact same product as them, because you're just not going to beat them, right? So I wouldn't sell this particular product here, this particular dog bed. They've got 67,000 reviews, right? So there's no point in doing that, and you wouldn't try and compete with something like this. But competing with a product like this, not just a dog bed, but maybe an orthopedic dog bed, orthopedic extra large dog bed, okay? That's something you can compete with because it doesn't have too many sales per month, and the review count is low. So that's what I like to look at. And again, if you want more product ideas, come back to ChatGPT and start doing this, right? Maybe you could look at pet hair eraser, okay? You could look at pet nail grooming tool. Okay, you could look at dematting comb, right? There's so many things that you can do, and so it gives you so many ideas. You don't have to do a list of 25. You can do a list of 100 if you wanted to. I like to start off just slowly, especially when, if you're new to product research, because it can be really daunting at the start. But that is one of the best ways. This is one of the best ways that I would recommend to do product research, especially coming into 2024, because you can start looking at helium 10, you can start going through the database of helium 10, but why not just get ideas for what's working already through ChatGPT? Instead of just trying to think of product ideas and these keywords, go to ChatGPT and you can actually search even closer as well. You could even do something like this, and if you wanted to look more into dog beds, you could look at popular dog beds on Amazon, and then you could say, give me a list of 25. And we'll see what it comes up with. Okay, and then it goes further and further. So you've got all the different brands that are doing well on Amazon. A list of 25 dog beds. You've got orthopedic, waterproof dog bed, another waterproof dog bed, memory foam dog bed. So this is giving you even more keywords to search into. You might find a product there, or a variation of a product that you might have not seen before. And we've done this all under 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so this is one of the most easiest ways that you can get into product research to find profitable products to sell on Amazon, not just in the US market, but in the Australian market as well. So give this a go. Like I said, if you want to try out Helium 10, they have a free trial, but to get it extremely cheap, so much more cheaper, click the link down below. I've got my own personal link there. And if you want to learn more about selling on Amazon, click the link down below. It's one of the first links down below. Book a call with me and we can have a chat and see how we can help you get up and running and selling consistently and profitable on Amazon. But apart from that, hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you're watching. Stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next one.